Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again with another tutorial video. Now this is how to create a YouTube video thumbnail. So the application I'm using, I used to use Adobe Photoshop in the past, but now I use this program called Pixelmator. You can find it on the Apple App Store, and I felt that it was very affordable. But the first thing I've done, I've opened my image that I want to use. This is a photo that I took in the French West Indies on an island called Pinel Island. So it's my photo. So the first thing I'm going to do is do an image size. Now remember, the optimal, in my opinion, the optimal thumbnail size is 1920 by 1080. That's also the resolution of full HD. So I'm going to do the width is 1920. But you'll notice that to scale proportionally, that it's now 1920 by 1281. But I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. So this still isn't the size it needs to be. So the next thing I'm going to do is do File, New, and now I'm going to make a second image 1920 by 1080. So this image right here is the perfect size for YouTube. So what I'm going to do now is select my other image that's too big, just slightly too big. I'm going to drag it into this 1920 by 1080. And I'm on a laptop right now filming this. I'm moving these windows around so you can see everything. And then what I want to do is drag this so it's corner to corner. And I've got an option here. Well, see, if I want to take it up a little bit higher, see, I've got a lot of room on the bottom. Because again, this was bigger than 1920 by 1080. So it's a matter, do I want to do more tree, more palm tree in the shot, or do I want to do more rope in the shot? Again, that's a matter of personal preference. I think the rope kind of looks cool, and I think this photo, and again, this is something completely subjective, but I think this is a photo that if somebody saw, unless they just absolutely hated scenic places, it would be hard not to click this. So the next step I'm going to do is put some text on here. What I like about this program is what I like about this program is how user friendly it is. So I can do the text tool over here to the left. It says T, and then I just hold down the mouse and do drag, and I just do it from side to side because I want the text to be as big as possible so it'll stand out. And I'm going to call it How to Create. And I'm going to shrink it down a little bit because I got it a little bit too big. So I'm going to go there to 200. We'll put it down to 100 for now, which is too small, but we're going to play with it here in a minute. How to create YouTube thumbnail. Just kind of keep it abbreviated. Don't have to get too wordy with it. But see, now what I can do, I can play with the size here. Okay, that's 120. That's still too small. I'm going to go to 140. That's too big. Let's try 138. Nope, still too big. 136. No. 134. Well, that's on 2 lines. I don't want it on 2. So 130. The size for this, for 130, I can go all the way across. Now I can put that text down at the bottom, or I can put it up at the top. I mean, again, this is just a matter of personal preference. But obviously, I don't really like the bright red. But the cool thing about this program is that, see right here, there's some pre-made styles that can be selected that look quite good in my opinion. So, you know, and you can go in and tweak the heck out of this if you want to. I think that blue's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I really like that. So now I'm going to hit the T again, and I'm going to add something else because this video is filmed in 4K Ultra HD. And I want to make sure that my viewers know that this is a, you know, if they've got a 4K compatible display, they can crank it up and see it in its full glory. And see, then I can add reflection right there. And now I can use this drag tool. And I could drag this and make it look like it's floating on the water. So, you know, yet just another visual element that is, again, it is relevant. And so when people see this, okay, they see what I feel is a cool image, photo that I took. Again, took it on Pinell Island. They see how to create YouTube thumbnail. How do I create a YouTube thumbnail? Well, that would indicate that this video may explain that. And then back here, 4K Ultra HD. It's like, haha, this is in 4K Ultra HD. And, that's cool, kind of a little bragging right thing. So now all I'm going to do is save this image. Do save. Oops. I didn't mean to do save. I meant to do export. I'm going to use JPEG. You can see the file size here. If I jack the quality up, I can get really large. But no, I don't want it to be that big. 562 KB is decent, not too big. You can get a file size that's too big for YouTube. And then I'll just call it whatever. I'm on a Mac, so saving it to my desktop, I'm just going to call it YouTube Thumb Tutorial. And then I'm going to save that. And voila, I've got a JPEG image that when you're watching this video and you look at the thumbnail, this is exactly how I created the thumbnail. So I hope this video is of value. Please be sure to share with others. Subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/IRickSky, to check out all my other tutorial videos as well. And if you found this video to be of value, please like as well, because that'll help. And follow me throughout social media. Go to my website, IRickSky.com. You can find my link to Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and obviously Facebook. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IRickSky here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.